Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new topic in English grammar, and that is conjunction. Let us see the definition for conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins two nouns, phrases or sentences. We can remember coordinating conjunction by the mnemonic fanboys. The 7 coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So we can remember these 7 coordinating conjunctions by the mnemonic fanboys. We will be learning these 7 coordinating conjunctions separately. Let us see the first conjunction, for. For is used to show a reason. We use the word for in place of because. For example, I have to find a new car for I sold my old car. I have to find a new car because I sold my old car. So here, for is used in place of the word because. He gets weight easily for he always eats fast food. Let us see the next conjunction, and. And is used to combine two words, phrases or sentences. For example, my mom and dad are teachers. In this sentence, and is used to combine two words, mom, dad. Let's see the next example. She entered the house and her baby started crying. She entered the house, first sentence. Her baby started crying, second sentence. So these two sentences are joined by the word and. Let us see the next coordinating conjunction, nor. Nor is used to combine negative ideas. For example, Seema doesn't like tea, nor does she like coffee. In this sentence, we have two negative ideas. Seema doesn't like tea, she doesn't like coffee. Both are represented by the word nor. Neither George nor Mary were at the school yesterday. The next conjunction is but. But is used to show two opposite ideas. For example, it's sunny and hot, but I like it. So here we have two opposite ideas. Though the weather is hot, I like it. So we use the word but. He is very good at playing basketball, but not at riding a bike. Again, two opposite ideas. Okay, so we will use the word but. Let us see the next conjunction, or. Or is used in a sentence when we have a choice. We could go to the park or we could play outside. So, in this sentence, we have a choice. We can go to the park or we can play outside. Would you like to have tea or coffee? The next conjunction is yet. Yet is used to show contrasting or opposite ideas. For example, I ran fast, yet I could not win the race. John studied a lot, yet he didn't pass the test. The last coordinating conjunction is so. So is used to show result or consequences. For example, Rita didn't study well, so she didn't pass her test. So the result of her not studying well was that she didn't pass her test. So we use the word so when the sentence shows result or consequences. My sister is very smart, so everybody likes her. Now that we have learnt all the 7 coordinating conjunctions, let us solve an exercise. Fill in the blanks with proper conjunction. The first one. He didn't talk to his friends, dash, did he call his father? Now, in this sentence, we have 2 negative ideas. He didn't talk to his friends, nor did he call his father. So here, we will write the conjunction nor. I have 1 dog, dash, 3 cats. We can join these 2 phrases by the word and. I have 1 dog and 3 cats. I go to work on Friday, dash, I don't go to work on Sunday. Now here we have 2 opposite ideas. The first one is positive, I go to work on Friday. Next is negative, I don't go to work on Sunday. When we have 2 opposite ideas, we use the word but. I go to work on Friday, but I don't go to work on Sunday. Let us see the next sentence. Does Smith have any brothers or sisters? He was sick, dash, he couldn't play football. So the result of his sickness was that he couldn't play football. When a sentence shows result or consequences, we use the word so. My teacher likes me. I am a hardworking student. My teacher likes me because I am a hardworking student. And in place of the word because, we use for. Neeta plays football well. Her favorite sport is tennis. Now here we have 2 opposite ideas. Neeta plays football well, but her football is not her favorite sport. Okay. So because 2 opposite ideas are used, so we use the word yet. Neeta plays football well, yet her favorite sport is tennis. Please calm down. Let's wait and see. I am very hungry. The fridge is empty. Again, 2 opposite ideas. I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. Neither my daughter, my son like drinking milk. Again, we have 2 negative ideas, and when we have 2 negative ideas, we use the word nor. Neither my daughter nor my son like drinking milk. I hope you have learned all the 7 coordinating conjunctions. Thank you for watching my video.